video of battle cards. So in last video, I'll show you something in YouTube in my channel. It's connected to someone else, but I create the videos. So someone commented. Okay, I can't check it because it's restricted mode. But a Japanese guy, I'm not sure if it's Japanese, he wrote in Japanese. He wrote in Japanese that that I'm saying like a lot to learn or something. I have no idea what he means. So whoever that is, maybe just like send something to tell what you mean, or just tell me how to get better if you're saying like that. Metal slugs attack, okay. Because I do not know what you mean by that. Like which one? Oh, metal slug. So like I have no idea what you mean. So you should probably tell me. Ooh, axe cap. And that's kind of good actually. Wait, that gives me 900. This gives me. Okay, that's a lot more. So like I don't know what you mean by that. Whoever that guy is. Imagine I get 1 million XP. That would be insane. Okay, what is this? And also, what do you expect Japanese guy to think? I'm just a beginner in this game. I just started. I have no idea what you mean though. I'm gonna play my real cats. Sword Golden Cat, and Matadori, Doro Cat, and Cow Cat. I can combine like this. Combine like this. But I heard like metal slugs are not actually good. I mean, like metal slugs are not good. Even though rare ones, they're like, see, this even exclusive for rares, so it's easier. But I am waiting to get starter special so I can get the platinum ticket. It's kind of cool, and I really want this guy, whatever his name is, Pumpkin Sodom. So I'll go in the game and let's try and beat the moon or something. I can just do that on in the video. Oh, these are kind of expensive actually. These units are actually kind of expensive. I mean, I'm pretty sure you can upgrade some stuff. Come on. Yes! Like efficiency wallet. I have no idea what knowledge does. Like, I don't know, those guys. No, stop it. Stop dynamiting my base. No, I do not like it. Stop. Stop, you're gonna kill me. Yes. I'm gonna save up for Cat Gardener. He seems like a good unit, but not the toy cat. I'm pretty sure there's upgrades to Belly Dancer. I think. I swear, from my last video, if and last cat battles, if any of my predictions are true, damn, bro, I'm going crazy on that. No way I made a prediction that actually is true. Like, that's insane. But, who knows? It could be like, I don't know, something else though. So I might not be posting for a while because I have to do something. So I'm gonna be posting 2 videos today. It might be Roblox or ML, so make sure to check out for that and like it. But I don't know. I will not be able to post some videos for a while. Yeah. Also, Japanese guy, can you please tell me your name? Yeah, because I do not know why I do not know what I am doing wrong. I'm just playing cat battles. I'm a beginner. What do you want me to expect? That I want to be a grandmaster and know everything about the game? All I know is how to get flower cat. Because that's how I found out about battle cats. By flower cat, by the secret. Guys, to get flower cat, you need to swipe the back for in 100 times in 1 minute. Yeah, that's how I found it. I just use an auto clipper. I should probably see that for Garden Cat. Wait, didn't Garden Cat just snip off Flower Cat? Can't they just do that? Okay, got it. I'll see for this guy now. Another Toy Cat. This one's gonna get zombies and this one's gonna look dead, I think. Oh, he's fast. Oh, wow, he is fast on attacking. That is a fast attacker. God dang. That guy's like how do they call it? Like the one they use for like bulls. They throw it, like they put it forward and they just put it and you just put it out last second like that and like that. But dang, Golden Cat attacks very fast. And it has a chance to freeze zombies and I don't know what this one does. Whatever it does. I think it I don't know actually. What's this? Ooh, I can get a real ticket from game 100, but how do I get it? I'll upgrade these so first wallet. Then efficiency. Then range. Charge. Ooh, what's this? Oh man. Ooh, 20 cat food. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh, Cleo Halloween. Oh. I'll try to do this one. Like this. I need to activate this. This first one is from Mongolia. Whatever that's called. Mongolia. Ooh, now it's at 200. That's nice. Okay, upgrade. Ooh, 300. Not bad. So it does 100 each time now. Each time it goes up by 100. Okay. Okay. I wonder how much money I can hold if it's max. If right now it's 400, even though it's at level 3, imagine what it can be in later levels. Like, I can upgrade them in later, right? With the XP. So, I can maybe, like, oh my god, that's fast. Maybe I can just upgrade it to max and maybe upgrade my cat. Oh, that's long. Man, that is long. Reaching to the enemy base? Damn, that's good. Let's check how many damage he does. Oh, he is fast at attacking. That was quick. Inferior. Did I get to get all of them in superior or what? Activate. Okay, just need to activate it. So I got one of them. Okay, now you have to get Colombia. Colombia. Is it Dia or Bia? Colombia or Colombia? First I upgrade this. Then I upgrade this. Upgrade. Come on. Upgrade. So guys, so let's wait for God in the cat so you can just snip very fastly against. I want to shred through the base. After I spawn him, I'm actually gonna try and save up for cow cat. I don't know what he does, but it's a cow. I don't expect much from a cow actually. Like, what did you expect me to expect? Now I have enough for 500 now. No, not those guys. I don't know the name. I just called them those guys. Yes! He's so fast that he can kill them. Yes! This guy is really high DPS damage per second. Can anything kill him? So it's a fast one. Is it a fast attacker too? Oh, it's a fast attacker. But I don't know who's faster because he's just going snip. So, then I go to treasures and Japan. So I have to go to Japan and beat it. I'm just trying to save up capital so I can save up for the bonus stuff on the thing. I just need to get it so I can get like a Uber I think it's called. Uber Super Rare Legendary. My brother's super good at this game. He hacked it, don't mind. Being hacking is nothing to be afraid of. Just use it if you're gonna check if you're gonna check units out, maybe, because you can use them to check units out, like Trixie, limited unit, very good. How far is this? All the way to the base. Dang, just like that sometimes that goes far. Like weapon. It's like this game, Battle Cat Unite. You fight the enemy. I don't know what console it's on. But weapon, you use a golden cat versus flower cat. Will you just golden cat just snip the flower and she died, or did they just fight? Or did they just fight? I don't really know. What is that? What? Oh, that's the hippo. That's the hippo I use. Oh, did he just get that? Girl Scout. I'll save up for. Nah, he just died. That's the one of my strongest cats. Snip, 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 snip. Another one. I gotta spawn up this one. Kind of fast actually. Snip, 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 snip. Soon and get the cow cat out. Now I have one of my best units, I think. Oh my god. How long did it take it to kill it? Yeah, these are some of my best units or the new ones. Because this and this are new. Postcard carried me to Japan. Yes. Mission complete. So guys, I right now I can't make a very long video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe, put notification bells on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.